Buying a car online in India can be a convenient and hassle-free way to find the perfect car for your needs. Here are some of the steps you can follow. Do your research. Determine your budget. Before you start shopping online, it's important to determine how much you can afford to spend on a car. This will help you narrow down your search and avoid overspending. Consider factors like the car's price, insurance costs, fuel expenses, and maintenance costs. Narrow down your options. Research different car models and brands to find those that meet your needs in terms of features, performance, and style. Consider factors like fuel efficiency, safety ratings, and user reviews. Visit online car platforms. Explore car portals. There are several popular car portals in India, such as Carwale, Cardekho, and Zigwheels. These platforms allow you to browse a wide range of new and used cars, compare prices, and read reviews from other buyers. Check manufacturer websites. Many car manufacturers have their own online showrooms where you can explore their models, compare prices, and even book a test drive. Filter your search. Use search filters. Most online car platforms allow you to filter your search based on various criteria, such as brand, model, price range, fuel type, mileage, and location. Use these filters to narrow down your options and find cars that match your specific requirements. Sort by relevance. You can sort the search results by relevance, price, mileage, or other factors to find the cars that best fit your preferences. Check car details and reviews. Review car information. Once you've found a few cars that interest you, take some time to review their detailed information, including specifications, features, and photos. Read user reviews. Read reviews from other buyers to get an idea of the car's performance, reliability, and overall user experience. Get in touch with sellers. Contact sellers. Once you've found a car you like, contact the seller to inquire about its condition, availability, and price. Negotiate the price. If you're considering buying a used car, don't hesitate to negotiate the price with the seller. Research similar cars to get an idea of a fair market value. Schedule a test drive. Arrange a test drive. Once you've agreed on a price, schedule a test drive to get a first-hand feel for the car. Test it on different types of roads and check for any issues with handling, brakes, or other components. Inspect the car thoroughly. During the test drive, inspect the car's exterior, interior, and engine for any signs of damage or wear and tear. Take note of any unusual noises or vibrations. Finalize the deal. Agree on terms and conditions. Once you're satisfied with the car's condition, agree on the final price and payment terms with the seller. Ensure you understand all the terms and conditions before signing any documents. Complete paperwork. Complete all necessary paperwork, including the registration transfer, insurance transfer, and vehicle inspection documents. Make sure all the details are correct and that you receive copies of all documents. Take possession of the car. Make the payment. Once the paperwork is complete, make the agreed upon payment to the seller. Ensure you receive a receipt or confirmation of payment. Collect the car and all relevant documents, including the registration certificate, insurance policy, and any service history records. Remember to be cautious when dealing with online sellers, especially when making payments. Verify the seller's identity and make sure you understand the terms and conditions of the sale before committing to a purchase.